Ayun! Ay! Hala! Nahulog. Nahulog si Kilo ah. Wait. Ayun. 6-7! 6-7! Wait! Wait lang guys ah. May ano lang ako. May i-forward lang ako na link. May i-forward na link. Ayan! O-open natin si Kilo ah. Alambre sa ngipin! Grabe ka naman! I-assemble muna natin si Kilo ah, kasi papayakin nyo na ako mamaya, baka di ko na ma-assemble. Thank you, Johan! How to open this one? Parang I need some, gunting-gunting. Kayla, pwede makisuyo ng gunting? Open na muna natin yung iba. Ibang gift. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung electric fan na tumutunog na napakalakas. Pwede makisuyo ng gunting. May Shanghai, merong Shanghai. Japan trip next birthday ko, grabe naman yun. Okay, Kuya Jay, thank you sa pag-confirm. Hindi naman daw masyadong rinig. Pero let's try na i-open by hand. Wala kasi akong kuko. Gunting? Sa baba, yung sa brown, sa ilalim nun. Kagatin ko na lang. Lalabas na natin si Kilua sa plastic niya. Hello! This is so cute, ha? Charan! Thank you. Okay lang. Let's open. Ayun. 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 Open na natin siya. At ngayon, gagawin na natin siya. Feeling ko gusto kong pumunta sa Osaka. Ano kayang formation nito? Formation? Uy, thank you! Grabe kayo. Like, ang mga nagregalo sa akin ngayon, ako na yung Kami Oshin yun. Final answer. Ako na nag-decide. Ha?
Late sounds mo.
Late yung sound ko? Or baka late ka lang kasi... Like, dali.
Dili talaga.
Ha?
Dili talaga yun.
Ganyan talaga yung Kayla.
Oo, di ba?
Delay ba ako? Need ko ba i-end yung live ko?
Baka isa-stop mo.
Baka sa'yo lang, Kayla. Kasi sa iba daw hindi eh.
Talaga. Ay.
Kayla, i-check mo muna sa ibang phone kasi para magtuloy-tuloy ako sa live.
Ulitin ko.
Kayla.
Si Cross yung naka-green na token.
Hindi daw sabi nila sa comments. Kasi mag-open ako ng
Ay,
tips.
na okay na.
Tumihinto kasi ako sa... Wait.
Ito, si Cross sabi.
Oo, alam ko kasi. Okay daw, okay daw. ni Kayla. So, paano to siya? Tingin? Nakaupo siya dito. So, ganito. Tapos, thank you, Reynald. Ganito. Wait, paano ba to? Ganito ba? Enlighten me, guys. Ganito. Yun! Tapos, ganito. Ay! Naulog. Yeah. Wait, lalagay muna natin yung stone. Ayun. Saan ba siya ilulusot? Check ko. Nahulog si Kilua. Wait. May lusutan yung stone. Okay. Yan na. Ito pala. Wow! So cool! Charan! Nalalak ba ito siya? Ayun! Charan! Picture niyo ako. Ay, nahulog yung crown ko. Ayun. Yan, nakalagay na siya here. Ay! Ayan yun. Oo, kay Bisk. Kay Bisky. Bisky ba yun? Bisky. Galing ni Kuya Jay, alam niya yun. Next! Hala, may babango din! Grabe, may babango! Hala! Ay! You're so sweet, guys! Smile before you open. Letter din to eh. Letter din to. Wait lang. Nakasmile na ako. Wait. Inulit ko lang po yung nasa Manila paper. Meron pa kasi isang gift dito. So, ayun yung nasa Manila paper. Wait, mamaya na natin i-open ang mga letter na yan. Kasi naman. Uy! Look, guys. Alam niyo kasi mahilig ako sa Sudoku. Binigyan na lang ako ng Mega Sudoku. Grabe! Thank you! Volume 8. Mega Sudoku! Kulay pink! Kulay pink siya, guys. Thank you! Mababawasan na yung screen time ko. Kasi aadikin ko na to. Thank you so much! Meron pa ba? Okay lang. Mamaya na yung letter na yan. Wait, meron pa! Meron pang nag-gift sa akin. Meron pa akong gift dito. This one. Ay! Sorry guys, sumabit. This one. Last segment na natin yung ano. Wow! From Nico to guys. Yung new classmate ko. Meron tayong pouch na Van Walk. Grabe. Dream bag ko ang Van Walk. Pero meron tayong pouch for now. Kasi gusto ko ng Van Walk kasi ang dami niyang lagayan. Tapos ang cute niya. Kaso naisip ko, baka masyado siyang malaki for me. Tsaka wala pa silang pink version na pero ito pink and white. Van Walk Star Lucky. Ay, hala, shucks. Bawal pala ako magbanggit ng brand. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ulitin natin. Meron tayo natanggap na pouch na color pink and white na napaka-cute dahil meron siyang keychain and meron siyang cute designs. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng designs here. Parang pwede siyang pencil case na makeup kit na hygiene kit. Diba? Ganyan-ganito. Ay, so cute! So cute! Next, we have... Meron pa pala isa, guys. Wait. Kunin ko. But, this one... Yes! Tama ka, Brent! Tularan si Brent. Please keep tapping the screen. For this one, merong brand. Kaya, baba lang natin siya. This one? Ooh! Tumbler! Kasi hindi raw ako nagtutubig. Kaya nagtutubig to. Ay, kaya nagtutubig to. Kaya binigyan niya ako ng tubigan. Thank you! This is from my friend. Ooh! Pink and white. Lalagyan natin siya ng stickers. Para sa akin lang to. This is mine. Paano to binubuksan? Halatang hindi... Thank you po sa pitchet. Halatang hindi ako nag-iinom ng tubig eh. No? Oo, ganyan siya to. Sisip-sipin mo siya. Para kahit nasa biyahe, pwede ka uminom ng tubig. Let's see. Ooh! May straw pala talaga siya. Ang ilalagay ko dito ay Gatorade. Ay, brand na naman. Send Cherry Blossom muna. Bago ako magbasa ng letter na yan. Cherry Blossom. Kasi, ba't kayo nagpapaletter? Sino nagsabing mag-letter kayo na yan? Uy, thank you talaga sa mga nag-gift. Like, hindi ko in-expect na mararanasan ko to like sa buhay ko. Yung ganitong exact moment. Parang sabi ng after so long gusto mo ng letter. Gusto mo nga ng letter! Bakit kayo naggaganyan? Pero kasi, baka umiyak ako. Sana hindi nanonood sila mama. Para hindi nila ako makita. Wait. Hoy, send Cherry Blossom. blossoms. Wala ba kayong pa 22, cherry blossom? Wala bang ganon? Wala bang 22 cherry blossom for at least 22nd birthday? Baka may ganong segment kayo. Kasi meron akong birthday live segment. Uy, grabe! Si Zed! I-magic mo na lang yan, Kuya Jay. Magic cherry blossom. Ito muna, Elise. Uy, birthday girl. Thank you, Jan! Birthday girl. Okay, tap the screen para magbasa na tayo ng letter. Asan na yung letter na yan? Nasaan na ba yung letter na yan? Si Mama nanonood. Nakakaya pag ako umiyak. Grabe. Grabe kayo, guys. Like, grabe. Grabe kayo. Brother, o-open ko na, ha? Thank you! O-open ko na, ha? Tap the screen, guys. Ooh. Naka-wax talaga siya. Ikaw nag-seal neto, brother? Hoy, hindi ako umiiyak. Inayos ko lang yung lashes ko. Likes per line. To cherry blossom. Thank you! Nakita nyo? Nakita nyo kung anong color? Ay! Nahulog yung flower. Ang mahiwagang letter. Thank you, Kuray! ML48 animation! Send ka dyan! Si Butler nag-message yan sa akin eh. Sabi niya yung gift niya daw sa event na lang daw. Sa event na lang daw yung gift ni Butler. Ay, ayaw ayaw lumabas. Brother, parang masisira ako yung envelope. Ba't ka tumatawa, Butler? Binabasa ko yung message niyo sa akin, guys. Pwede niyo akong i-message. Mag-react ako. Brother, ayaw niya lumabas. Okay lang ba, brother? Punitin ko. Ayaw, nahirapan ako ilabas. May nahulog ba? Hindi yung yun, yung sa flower. Brother, okay lang, punitin ko. Wait, ayan, dahan-dahanin natin. Time heals everything. Kay brother, wanahin ko. Sabi niya kasi nakakayak ko eh. Ready ko na ang self ko. Ay, Butler, di ka nag-message? Ayan. Merong panyo. Meron siyang panyong binigay color pink. So cute nga eh. Very coquette. Wow! Naiyak na siya i-open. Ang haba. Butler. Brother, pwede ko basahin na Grabe, ang dami. Pwede ko siyang basahin. Live. Or like, silent ko lang babasahin. Pamamaalam ba to? Baka pamamaalam to, ha? Ano to? Ano to, brother? see you. Babasahin natin out loud. Ayan, printed siya guys. Printed. At 2 pages siya. Grabe. Grabe! Okay, 1, 2... Kala mo sayaw eh, no? 1, 2, 3, go. Dear Charo. Dear Charo. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Elise. I'll start with the day I met you. The dynamic encounter. Grabe! Ito yung isa sa mga unforgettable moments kung saan nagkalat ang gagamba. Ang kalat ang gagamba. I don't know, pero your weakness made me fall for you. Isa ka man sa mga huli kong nakilala na ML48 member, pero grabe ka mang hatak. Grabe ka mang hatak. Na para bang may malakas kang magnet at hindi ko kayang mangtipaklong kapag live ka. Dapat kahit hindi live, hindi mo kaya mangtipaklong. Thank you, Tia! Hatak o bakod? Through that lives, I learned a lot about you. Interesting and compelling things about you. Siyempre, may alam din akong konti sa mga down moments mo, like from the audition, which is napanghinaan ka ng loob dahil maraming competitive at talented ML48 aspirants. Gayon pa man, you still continue to fight for your dream. And that's a great thing. Wow! Grabe naman! Timers. Look at you now. Nakakapag-perform ka na sa big stages, mall, at syempre, nakahakot ng award with your BFF line and sisters. Ang sisters natin ay ang 5th gen and also ang ating mga senpai. Being soft is a strength. Balik tayo sa PFC voting 2025. Kasi 4th gen aspirant din ako eh. Kaya 5th gen is the best time for Elise. Second time's a shot. Tama ba? Balik tayo sa PFC voting 2025. Grabe yung challenges at effort mo sa mga linggong yon. At kung ano-anong pakulo ang ginawa mo para mas lalo kang suportahan ng mga fans. Parang nahuhulog yung crown ko. Sinong makakaisip kumain ng sili at mag-magic sa live? Thank you, Johan! Guys, pag napaiyak niyo ako, grabe na kayo. Pero hindi ako iiyak sa live na to. Dahil wala tayong 22 cherry blossom. Uy, joke lang. Ay, wait. Magic ba talaga yun? O gayuma? Hoy, nag-practice ako sa magic live ko na yon. Kidding aside, kudos din sa family at admins mo na sila Celine at Micaela dahil gumawa pa sila ng tarps for you. Sa wakas, dumating na ang araw ng announcement and I'll be honest, hindi ko in-expect na mataas ang magiging posisyon mo. Aww! All I want is to get you into Senbatsu. Pero grabe, worth it yung pagbibigay ko ng spider on web at G-form. Bumoto ka rin sa G-form! Sobrang saya dahil unexpected na top 6 ka. That's a big step. And your achievement is our achievement too. Tama! Kaya nga sinasabi ko guys, kapag nakaka-achieve ako ng something, nung nilabas yung ranking, sabi ko, top 6 tayo guys! Top 6 tayo! Tayo! Hindi ako. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magta-top 6. Kaya, ang achievement ko ay achievement nyo rin. Kaya, never ko sinolo yung achievements ko kasi kasama kayo dun. Kaya, sinasabi ko, tayo. Kaya natin to kasi tayo talaga to. Teamwork tayo dito. Ayan. Siyempre, nasa harap ka na. Di kita na kita at hindi na ako makakatingin pa sa iba. Ay, grabe naman. Huwag mong isipin na wala kang laban sa kanila dahil ipaglalaban kita. Basta keep trying and do your best. I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. Kumanta! Yeah, this is what I see in you. And I believe Miss Abby too. Ah, dinakayin po si Miss Abby. Joke lang. Pagod ka na ba magbasa? Bakit mo ako tinatanong? Uy, number 29 tayo sa League C4. Kaya ba natin mag-top 1? Pa-birthday nyo na sa akin to. Dagdagan pa natin. Lipat naman tayo sa most memorable experience. Ang Sulong Concert. Ito yung araw na first time kong pumunta ng malayo, mag-isa, at pinuntahan na concert. Sobrang excited dahil may kita ko na kayo, pati na yung mga online friends and supporters. Oh, may online friends at supporters na na-meet dahil sa ML48. Alam niyo guys, nakakatuwa. Kasi like, yung mga fans, hindi lang inspiration yung nila. Wait, ayusin mo natin. Yung mga fans, hindi lang inspiration yung nakukuha nila sa mga idol nila. Meron na rin silang nakukuhang friends. Kasi, like, kunyari, isa sila ng sinusupport na tao. Parang, parang may something na nagko-connect sa kanila. Ayan. Grabe pala sila Celine at Micaela sa personal. Nagmana sa'yo. The face card ng Lovelies. Naging thumbnail pa. Tapos si Brent, ang dami agad ka-close. Mga extrovertado yung mga Lovelies no? Kami naman ni Sed, chill lang. Tapos, nalibre pa ng Checky. At, wait lang. Anong Checky? About pala sa Checky, I have some regrets dahil naunahan ako ng kaba. At dahil na rin nalaman ko ang rules sa araw na yon. Na-starstruck ako sa'yo. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko. Kaya pala tahimik ka. Hindi ako makatingin sa'yo. Hindi ko masagot mga sinasabi mo. Hindi nasunod yung posing na gusto ko. And I'm very sorry kung na-feel mo na ini-ignore kita. Uy, naiintindihan kita. Bawi na lang ako next event. Promise. Lalakasan ko na loob ko. Since that will be my second chance. And hindi ako papayag na mauulit na naman yun. If ever you're in my arms again, this time, I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time, I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Grabe, kumanta ulit siya! Balik na tayo sa happy part. Nung lumabas na kayo sa stage, syempre, ikaw agad una kong hinanap. Kaso lang, hindi ka pala kasama sa unang performance. Pero nung lumabas ka na, grabe, parang nag-iba yung atmosphere. Your energy is so bright that it's impossible to look anywhere else. Kitang-kita ko kung gaano ka-genuine ang saya mo sa pag-perform at ina-enjoy mo talaga ang every minute sa stage with your sisters. Never kitang nakita na hindi nakangiti at syempre, that makes me very proud of you. I know that behind those minutes on stage are countless hours of practice, sweat, and probably a lot of tired nights. I want you to know that all that hard work is visible to us. Aww! Malapit na ito matapos. Wait lang. I'm very thankful sa inyo, ML48, especially you, Elise. Dahil sa inyo, nagkaroon ng bagong kulay ang buhay ko at lalo akong na-inspire. I'm not good in words, but you truly mean so much to me. Thank you sa efforts, lalo dahil pinagsasabay mo ang studies at pagiging idol. And I want you to know that it never goes unappreciated. nag-update sa amin araw-araw. Damang-dama namin na tinatreasure mo talaga kaming Wait lang guys, time first. Wala kasi nagsasan ng cherry blossom eh. Kaya time first muna tayo. Ba't ganun? Nagulat ako sa mukha ko. Hindi, mainit kasi guys. So, nagpanas ako ng pawis. Si Kayla nasa pintuan ko. Alis ka. Time first. Game. Watching you makes me admire you even more. Okay, balik tayo ng pwesto. Yung lashes ko kasi guys, parang natatanggal. Hindi ako umiyak. Kasi may sabi, asan yung luha ko dyan? Oh, wala oh. Grabe, napaka-fresh. Wah! Thank you, Tokwa! Sa cherry blossom, di na kaiyak. Di yan iiyak. Tama, Kuya Jay. Sabi ni Kuya Jay, wag ako umiyak. Walang iiyak. Uy, grabe! May pa cherry blossom si Tokwa! Kapag may absent ako, parang ang laking talo. We're so lucky to have you, my Kami Oshi. And grateful for someone who has such a good heart. On your birthday, wow! On your birthday, I hope you get a break, some good food, lots of laughs, and maybe a little time to relax. You're incredible and you deserve it. Wait lang guys. Nagamit ko yung panyo sa pawis ko. Nakapagpahinga ako mga around 2 a.m. Kasi nagilamas pa ako. Gabi na ako nakauwi eh. I hope this year brings you happiness, good health, and more reasons to smile. Whatever comes in your way, I know you will face it with your signature bright smile and okay, tapos na. Di tinapos. Joke lang ito. With your signature bright smile and the heart that never gives up. Nandito lang ako, kami, para sa walang sawang suporta. Stay humble and keep shining. Love you so much. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. Your lovelies, Shigeo. Grabe! Grabe siya. Grabe siya sa pa-letter. Alam nyo guys, parang first time ko makareceive ng ganito kahabang letter. At meron pa si email na letter. At meron pa nga siyang letter na nawawala ngayon. At meron pa nga siyang isang letter na nawawala ngayon. Nahulog ata ng rider. Siya pala nagpadala ng tulips. Okay, lalagay na natin to. Yung kay ano tayo, kay Himmel. Grabe kayo! 10 4. Mamaya siya iiyak after ng live. Mamaya ma-screenshot niya ako, umiiyak eh. Hindi ako top 1. Top 18 lang. Manila paper basahin ko. Grabe. Charan! May Manila. May Manila paper. Basahin ko ba, Himel? Himel! Grabe ang effort niya. May design pa. Himel, basahin ko ba? Okay lang ba? Wait natin yung answer ni Himel. Parang gusto niyo humabol. Parang gusto niyo mag-Valentine's schedule. Ano nasabi? Elementary days. Silent lang. Okay, sige, babasahin ko. Dear Alice. Okay, silent lang. User. Wala, ang galing niya! Ano lang daw eh, silent lang daw natin basahin. Ayaw niya iparinig sa inyo. Ano sabi? Pina-billboard ko na yan. Curious ako sa binabasa niya. Ang bait ni Himel. Ay, wala tayong background music. Oo nga. Wala tayong background music. Alam, malapit na tayo mag-ano. Kaya ba natin habulin ang top 1? Top 1? Wait, magsasound tayo. Nawala yung sound eh. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ito na lang. Yan, sad song na to Thank you, Kuya Jay! Uy, okay lang yan if hindi natin ma-reach ang top, 1. Parang Uy, thank you, Himel! Meron siyang reason kung bakit 12 clicks to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 nga eh! May extra 1 pa for my birthday.
I've got a stack of
Parang ano, sobrang senti ko ngayon. Parang I need some sour candies. Thank you sa 100K! Pala yun. Yung electric fan ko yun. Kasi ano yun.
Wala bang happy birthday song dyan?
Hindi wag, dapat ganyan. Kasi senti, wait, nababasag yung ano ko, yung emotions. Nasa zone na ako eh. Yung kay Kayla, sabi mo Kayla, wag mo basahin.
So what does that make me? I asked you how it's playing drums.
Ay, alam ko na.
Said it's too much shit to carry.
Para ma-close ko ulit, brother.
And what about the band?
Ay, hindi okay. Hindi yan ako close naman pala. Ito ba yung Kayla?
When I saw your destination,
Or may iba ka pa?
it's just normal conversation,
Huh?
baby, it's all fine.
Good
Making
ka.
quiet calculations where the fall lies. It's as good a land, or at least it was. It takes a strong hand and a sound mind.
Wag yan, mali spelling. Ano mali spelling?
The college kids are getting so young, ain't they? They're correcting all the grammar on a spray paint. And I even gave up driving after nightfall. I got tired of the frat boys with the brights on. It's as good a land, or at least it was. It takes a strong hand and a sound mind. It makes me smile to know when things get hard. Ooh, you'll be far. Ooh, you'll be far from here. And while I clean up in the yard, ooh, you'll be far. Ooh, you'll be far, far from here. So pack up your car, put a hand in your heart, say whatever you feel, be wherever you are. We ain't angry at you, love. You're the greatest thing we've lost. Birds still sing, just still
Nawawala.
rock the board, still creep the leaves, still die. We ain't angry at you, love. We'll be waiting for you, love, and we'll all be here forever.
Wait.
And we'll all be here forever.
Happy birthday, Rain! Happy birthday, Rain! Timpers! Thank you sa little crowd, Kuya Jay!
Overdue.
Happy birthday, Rain! Sabi ni Darren.
Spent so long standing by.
Hindi!
That's the thing about surviving. Who the hell likes living just to die?
Ano yun?
Told me you would make a difference.
Wala naman.
Well, I got drunk and shut you down. Won't be by your own volition. If you step foot outside this town, it's all we've had.
Ay, hindi sa lashes ko yan.
Away. Pack up your car, put a hand in your heart, say whatever you feel, be wherever you are. We ain't angry at you, love. You're the greatest thing we've lost. Birds still sing, folks still fight, boards still creep, the leaves still die. We ain't angry,
Hindi, yung lashes ko yun.
we'll be waiting for you
Di ba? Yung lashes ko yun kasi tumatama siya sa mata ko.
here forever.
ipakita, pero paparinig ko lang sa inyo. Paparinig ko yung baby na inalagaan ko nung dati. Parang, basta yung baby ng tita ko. Like, super baby pa siya. Wait lang kasi, si Kayla sumisilip sa pinto ko sa ilalim. Butas kasi yung pinto ko, guys. Kayla! Ang kulit na yung Kayla. Paano ba kapag tuloy-tuloy? Dun ka na manood sa live. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys.
I've been having a hard time adjusting. I had the shiniest wheels,
Ito.
now they're rusting. I didn't know if you care if I came back. I have a lot of regrets. Pull the car off the road to look out.
Hello, Ate Red! Wait.
Ate this, happy birthday. Ate this, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ate. This.
Ate na?
Ate this.
Birthday ate Des? I love you.
Rinig niyo? Dami pang bumabati kasi hindi ko pa nare-replyan. Kasi ang dami nangyayari. Ayun. Na-post pala yung music natin. Alam, nag-posing muna ako. Doon ka na, Kayla, sa kabilang kwarto. Doon ka na manood. Babasahin ko na.
Close
Yung kay Kayla, kapag pumunta na siya sa kabilang kwarto. Kapag pumasok na siya doon, nakasilip kasi siya sa pintuan ko eh.
voices echo in the gym.
Okay, mag-internalize muna ako.
Another girl's had her first kiss. Please don't think too much of it, darling. I'm so sorry that they pick you last. Try to say you're foreign. I know that you feel now so different from the
Huwag ko na basahin, kunyari na lang dilas ako.
of big blue eyes and long blonde hair and boys that stare. But baby, no.
You were right.
Wala, si Ate Sarina nandito, oh. Pinapayak ako ni Kayla. Di ka daw kasi pumunta ng birthday ko.
To lift off the ground on those old two wheels. Nothing about the way that
Babasahin ko yung,
you ever seemed especially alone.
yung letter ni Kayla.
So you tie up your
Ate Sarina,
you smile like it's no big.
gusto mo malaman ba't ako umiiyak?
let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. Not invite your family.
Tingnan mo naman sabi niya.
Never showed you love. Don't have to be sorry for leaving.
To my dear Ate Elise, happy birthday! Ito lang ang regalo ko. Ay...
Matilda, you talk of the pain like it's all alright. But I know that you feel like a piece of you's dead inside. You showed me a power that is strong enough to bring sun to
Benya.
the darkest days. It's none of my business, but it's just been on my mind. You can let it
sabi
go.
niya, to my dear Ate Elise, happy birthday. Ito lang ang regalo ko. I wish you an amazing day full of joy and love.
For leaving and growing up.
Mute.
You can see the world following the
Ito.
seasons.
Sana lahat ng pangarap mo maging totoo. At sana sa kahit anong project, kayanin mo.
Be sorry for
Sana maging masaya ka kasi kaarawan mo. At sa araw na ito ay lumaki ka na. Lumaki ka na.
framed all your
At
posters
tumangkad
and
ka.
got your clothes. Ooh,
Ay, tumangkad ka ba?
to go.
Di ko alam. Pero mas matangkad ka pa rin kesa sa akin. Alangan, kasi mas matanda ka. Inaway pa yung sarili. Alangan, kasi mas matanda ka. Happy birthday ulit. Love from Kayla. Umiyak ako kasi ito lang regalo niya. Oh, bakit? Si Kayla. Natiwala ka doon? Andiyan siya, tinatawanan pa ako. Bakit? Wow! Be, thank you sa Galaxy Ate Sarina! Meron siyang gift. Meron siyang gift, guys! From Kayla. Look or less? Anong look or less? Look! Baka gagamba to, Kayla, ah. Thank you, Ate Sarina sa Galaxy. Ano to? Wow! Guys! Tignan niyo yung gift niya.
Slow down, you crazy child. You're so
Kayo na po yan.
ambitious for a juvenile, but then if you're so smart, tell me why are you still so?
Wow! My Melody! Ala, nakita ko to!
What's the hurry about?
Nakita ko to sa ilalim ng, ng kama nila.
So much to do and only so many hours.
Nakita ko to sa ilalim. Sabi ko, ano to? Nabili ko na ba to dati?
But you know that when the truth is told, the
Meron pang sticker.
or you can just get old. You're gone
Dami ko ng My Melody.
before you even
Thank you sa heart ni Ate Sarina.
Ooh,
Meron pang sticker.
will you realize
Ha?
Vienna waits for you?
May love to? Nabubuksan? Pwede mo pang galing.
Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be
Ang dami. Dito pa rin mga sticker.
for your time.
Nahulog pala. Ang dami sticker. Ayun o.
Borderline tonight, tonight.
Grabe.
But is the life you lead you so ahead?
Ay, merong brand. Tago natin yung
Got
brand.
what you need, though you can see when you're wrong.
Ayan.
You know you can't always
Ayan.
see when you're
Meron
right.
tayong brush on.
You're right.
Galing sa baon ni Kayla.
You got
Pati may melody na bouquet.
your pride. But don't you know that all
Pinrank niya tayo. Hindi lang daw ito ang regalo niya. Thank you sa Cherry Blossom Butler! Ito malakpak. Thank you, Sida. 30 minutes? Tulog na kayo, guys. Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Jamie ni Jamie. Ba't ka umiyak, ate? Secret.
When will you realize Vienna waits for you?
Ano regalo kaila? Grabe guys, sinipon niya yan sa baon niya para makapagregalo siya. Ganyan yan siya. Sabi ko nga wag na siya magregalo eh. Ano ba? Ah. Patingin? Hindi ko ito marinig masyado. Open mo na yung pinto.
Sinabi niya, sumakit pa daw likod ko.
Oh, kakasulat.
Iba yung iba yun eh.
Ano?
At yun eh.
Wow!
Pero pa po sumakit pa daw likod ko.
Sumakit na likod niya dito. Wow! Ang galing! Ang may ganyan.
From her knees. Make you think she needs it this time.
Totoo daw, sumakit talaga likod niya dito.
The one you can't be
Wow!
but I still love her. I don't really care.
Pull me down. January. February. Ah, January kasi to. It's February. Meron pang may melody.
I can't be done.
Tapos dinrawin niya pa ako. Meron pa yung regalo nung nakaraan eh. Mga watercolor niya.
And loving it all. The opposite of love's indeed.
Grabe dami yung mga regalo ni Kayla. Ang yaman naman niya.
So pay attention now.
At dahil dyan, thank you sa Cherry Blossom Butler! At dahil dyan, parang sinabi ko eh. Guys! Okay.
Where'd all the time go? Starting to fly.
Grabe. Alam niyo bakit? Like,
Now the
hindi kasi
hands go.
mag-explain kung sasabihin niyo to sa at least 2023, 2022. Hindi ako maniniwalang aabot lang sa ganitong point ng buhay ko. Ay, din wag na tayo magpakasenti masyado.
And I'm stuck in the
Sa likod ng... Ano bang Tagalog nun? Ano bang Tagalog nun? Ano bang Tagalog nun? Likod ng masasayang ngiti. Hindi nyo alam. Ano ba?
She gets dressed up
Ano ba yun?
so she's always in
Like, grabe. Na-overwhelm ako sa gifts, sa everything, sa support. Kasi, tama, hindi nyo alam pagdaanan para mapunta sa sa point ng life ko na to.
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the city.
Worth it naman talaga. Ano yun, Kayla? Bakit? Ano? Wala! Kanino yan? Uy, wag na! Ipon mo yan! Guys, binibigyan niya! Alam niya kasi wala akong pera. Baliw talaga doon. Tingnan niyo! Sabi ko, ipon na lang niya. Alam niya kasi... Alam niya kasi ano. Alam niya kasi ano. Wala akong pera. Binigyan niya akong pera. Ipon niya pa yan. Wag na, Kayla. Wag na. Dadating din ang araw. Ang araw ko. Ang araw ko. Papaldo din ako.
Stunning 8K resolution meditation.
Utang yan ni Mama sa akin. Utang pa ni Mama yung binigay mo sa akin na regalo.
Half off at the gap. Deadpool
Basahin natin yung kay Brent.
awareness, loving
Ano bang ibibigay ni Kuya Jay? Grabe. Ang dami niyong binibigay. Grabe. Grabe, nakaka-overwhelm kayo.
urge to the thing that's just begun. There it is, her again, that funny feeling. That funny feeling. There it is, her again, that funny feeling. That funny feeling. Surgeon General's pop-up shop. Robert Iger's face. Discounted agitprop. Bugles take on race.
Basahin natin.
Female
Ang message ni Brent.
commanders. Easy answer.
Ba't ka kasi tumalon?
The whole world at your fingertips. The ocean at your door.
Birthday ko po na. Follow niyo po ako sa mga nanonood po. Thank you so much.
Live action
I'm ML48 Elise po. Ang fortune cookie niyo.
lifetime true.
Ako po ang fortune cookie niyo.
20,000 years of this. 7 more to go. Carpool karaoke. Steve Aoki. Logan Paul. The gift shop at the gun range.
Okay. Babasahin na natin yung kay Brent. Buhay yung diwa ni Kuya Jay. Kasi birthday ko. Kaya gising pa rin si Kuya Jay.
That funny feeling.
Happy birthday! Ay, okay lang basahin ko, Brent. Out loud.
There it
Ah, thank you sa Korean name. I may not know you.
feeling.
Kasi natatouch ako sa letter nila. Thank you, Brent, ha. Pinapayagan mo ako.
Reading Pornhub.
Thank you, Isa. Paano mo ko?
Going for
Happy birthday, Elise.
obeying
Let me take you back to the beginning.
traffic
The first time I saw you on live, I immediately knew I was in trouble. One look and I was already starstruck. Your face card was doing overtime. Ngayon, may face card pa rin, kahit nag-cry-cry na siya.
and delivered by
One look and I was... Ay, tapos na pala. No hesitation, no second thoughts. Just instant admiration. I stood there thinking, so this is how it starts. Then came, ay grabe, English siya. Then came the PFC campaign. And that's when it went from admiration to something deeper.
that on a pair
The lip little gimmicks you did just to entertain your fans, simple but genuine, made such a big impact. It showed how much effort and care you put into what you do. That was the moment I realized why you deserve to be one of my Oshi and why supporting you felt so natural. Sulong P-Popcon made everything even clearer. Seeing you on stage, dancing, and performing with confidence, I was honestly unforgettable. I found myself waiting just for your parts, watching every move, fully focused. There's something different about you on stage, you shine, na para bang may sarili kang ring light. Sige, habol kayo ng message nyo! In a way that draws people in without even trying. Looking back, it's funny how it all started with one moment and slowly turned into genuine support and admiration. But at the same time, it makes sense. You have this presence that stays with people. And I'm grateful I got to witness your journey as a fan. On your birthday, I hope you feel proud of how far you've come. May this year bring you more growth, happiness, and moments where you realize how many people are cheering on you. Thank you for being you and for making it so easy to support you. Happy birthday, Elise! Always supporting, always cheering. Love you, Elise! Thank you, Brenton! Brenton! Thank you, Brent! Alam ko kung sino kami Oshi mo. Pero thank you sa pag-support. Thank you po! Thank you guys. Alam nyo, happy birthday pa ate. I know na I don't know you po, but I wish you to have a good health. Stay pretty pa ate. Thank you! Follow mo na rin ako para kilala mo na ako soon. Thank you, Antonio John. Grabe no? Mapapaisip ka na lang, hala, 22 na pala ako. Ang dami kong... Grabe. Grabe struggles. Sana wala na masyadong struggles sa mga susunod na taon. Kasi kota na ako. Kota na ako sa struggle.
Flowers in your hair.
Pero grabe. Grabe pa rin yung pa 150 ni Kayla. Alam niyo na. Claim mo na yan. Tama, Butler. Thank you, Z. Thank you, El.
And now we demonstrated it to the cops and all the things we said.
Thank you sa mga nagbigay ng gifts. At sa mga puntang friends ko ngayong birthday ko. Nag-effort pa talaga sila bumiyahe at hindi sila tinamad. At thank you sa pag-surprise niyo sa akin. Surprise na punta.
In my heart,
At thank you sa nag-gift ng flowers.
in my eye,
Flowers. Flowers.
so now that I'm
Umiilaw to.
back,
Wait, makita ko.
just so attractive in the way you move. I won't close my eyes.
Paano ba ito in-open natin?
Takes a moment, like a compromise.
Flowers.
In my heart,
Thank you, Kai.
in my heart.
At isa pang flower. At may flower pa sa likod ko. At may flower. At may
Great
flower.
protector,
Ayan.
is that what
Ang
I'm
dami.
supposed
Ang dami niyong flowers.
to be?
this counts for
Thank you sa patulips, Himmel. First time kong makakita ng tulips na sa akin. Thank you! May pa-flower din si Butler. Sama na.
Projector,
Nag-react kasi ako eh.
everything.
Hala, may pa-message din si Cross.
And we're on our way to glory, where the show won't ever end, and the encore lasts forever, and it's time with you to spend.
Pwede na ako magtayo ng flower shop. Ayan na.
Spending the years together, growing older every
Gamit na gamit lahat ng panyo ni brother. Dear Ate Elise, pinsan ko to guys. Ang sinusupport niya ay si Ate Ren.
And I'm glad to
I-
say again, I hope the encore lasts forever.
Ate Elise.
Now it's time for us to spend, and it's sublime with you, my friend. This right here still feels like the honeymoon when you say my name. Nothing's changed. I'm still a boy inside my heart. Am I meant to understand my fault? I don't think so. I don't think I'm meant to understand.
Gabi kasi itong mga batang to.
myself.
Thank you, Mark Mazo.
Maybe you
May ginawa kasi siyang poster sa akin,
is
guys.
good for you.
Look,
Maybe in time.
kulay pink, tapos may ribbon pa.
maybe one day.
Happy birthday, MF48 Elise. Oh, sabi niya. Ate Elise, I am your cousin that always entertains you. I wish you'll have many kamioshi and many followers. The poster and this letter is my only gift. And happy birthday, Ate Elise.
I'll do the same as you. I'll try and hold it up.
Ayun.
And I hope, or as soon as I'm old enough.
Grabe naman sa, over naman sa pa-letter na yan. Dapat binaban na yung pa-letter na yan. Alam niyo na yung effect ng letter sa akin kapag nagbigay kayo ng letter sa akin? Little me. Uy, okay lang, Cross. Kasi guys, naalala ko lang. Wala lang. Naalala ko lang yung mga loved ones natin.
Stay forever. You know more than anyone. Yeah.
Kasi,
Ooh, and it's you that knows my darkness, and you know my bedroom needs.
nung mga, okay na yun. Yes, yun na yan.
Probably snow.
May nag-send pa ng letter. Si Shadow Z.
Summer went away, still the yearning stays. I play it cool with the best of them. I wait patiently, he's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best of friends.
Hi, Kami Oshi Elise. Happy birthday. Nung una, napadaan lang ako sa TikTok nung nakita ko FYP ko. Bigla akong pumasok sa live mo. Hindi mo akalain, no? Una, napadaan lang ako sa live mo. Pero ngayon, sinusuportahan na kita sa journey mo.
There's just
Sana, ay sorry, di ko nagpaalam. Binasa ko agad. Okay lang?
oh,
Babasahin ko na, ha?
from sprinkler splashes to fireplace always have been.
Pagod na, pagod na, pagod na.
I see the greatest
Pahinga kapag napagod. Nandito kami palagi kaming susuporta sa'yo.
something different bloomed.
Naalala ko pala yung unang regalo ko sa'yo. Yung guhit kamay ko mismo. Kasi alam kong deserve mong gawan ng ganon. Siyempre, ikaw na yan. No more words. Just love. Dahil din sa'yo, nakilala ko ng mga bagong kaibigan. Sila Celine, Micaela, Brother, at Brent. Mahiyain kasi ako at ngayon lang ako nagsistand sa mga groups. Ngayon lang nagiging fanboy. Haha. Salamat Elise kasi nakilala kita. Hindi ako magsasawang suportahan ka. Ikaw at ikaw lang kami Oshiko. Promise. Ayun. Hello Arya! Birthday ko na ngayon Arya! Yung regalo niya na portrait ko nandito. Gusto niyo pakita ko sa inyo?
Sweating tears for this. I hosted parties and starved my body like I'd be saved by a perfect kiss. The jokes weren't funny. I took the money. My friends from home don't know what to say. I looked
Thank you, Iruma Kaidu.
so down and I saw something they can take away. There were pages turned
When the bridges burn,
everything you lose is a step you take to make the friendship race. Let's take a moment and taste it. You got no reason to be afraid. You're on your own, kid.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung gawa niya. Portrait.
You can face this. You're on your own, kid. You always have been. Spring into summer, and the winter's gone. I try to hold on to it, but the current's too strong. Somebody finds me in the state I am. Love you like I mean it, but I know I can't.
Ano sana i-chat mo, Cross? May hindi daw siya inalaw na chat. Thank you, Butler.
Hold it against me, cool to the touch. Nobody knows what it's
Kahit
like
minsan,
to be us.
nakakapagod na sobra.
Somebody finds me in the
Medyo nakakapagod kasi
love you like I
nakakapagod minsan ang tawag dito, kapag galing sa school. Pero okay lang, kaya natin to. Nakakapagod kasi yung traffic. Gawa ko yan guys, pa-commission na kayo para may pang-support na si Shadow Zen. You are so loved. Thank you!
bridge over
Thank you sa mga nandito. You can guys follow me. You can follow me guys. I am Amang48 Elise.
close to us.
Ba't ako umiyak ngayon? Birthday ko. Birthday na birthday ko. Ang dami kasi yung pera ni King ay.
Always forever running back to you. Running back to you. Running back to you.
Grabe talaga yung mga guardian angels ko sa...
There's gonna be someone that I want. We have too many.
Grabe talaga yung mga guardian angels ko sa taas.
If I could jump into the past, I'd only change one thing. I'd never hurt you first. I'd never let you leave. And now I'm here forever, running back to you.
Paano po maging loyal? Nasaan po family mo? Nandyan po sa tabi-tabi.
I don't wanna talk right now.
Ang dami kong guardian angels sa taas guys. Kaya ganito yung blessing ko. May nagagdag na guardian angel sa taas.
I'll stay in the pool and
Last year. Okay. Pagbigyan nyo na ako, birthday ko naman, magkukwento ako. Or bawal ba yun?
I put on Survivor just to watch somebody suffer. Maybe
Ellis Oshie lang.
get some sleep.
Tama, Butler. Ako lang dapat.
Sinking in.
Pwede ba magkwento dito?
They all betray each other. What's the point of ending? All of my friends are missing again. That's what happens when you fall in love.
Kasi guys,
You don't.
wait lang.
School bag in hand, she leaves
Kasi guys, we have this friend
morning, waving goodbye.
na naging
With an
guardian angel na siya
absent-minded smile.
last year.
I'm
Nalaman ko lang habang naka-duty ako. Naka-duty ako sa ano. Huwag yun ay kalat to ha. Baka pagalitan ako na nag-share ako ng ganito. Nalaman ko lang nung ano, nung nag-duty ako sa mga matatanda. Ayun. Kasi inaya ko rin siya manood ng concert namin. Hindi.
slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what
Hindi siya nakanood. Pero na-visit pa namin siya sa
close to know?
hospital. Basta yun, kala namin, uy, magiging okay na gano'n.
All the time.
Ayun. Tapos, last year naman,
Eyes, her and me at the breakfast table.
meron akong
Barely awake.
dalawang
I let
Tito
precious time
na
go
naging
by.
angel na.
Then when she's
Nung March, tsaka
there's that old melancholy
December.
feeling and the sense of guilt
Diba?
I can't
Ang
deny.
dami kong guardian angel.
What happened to those wonderful
Nung 2020 naman, yung
the places I had
lolo ko, naging angel na rin siya.
some of that we
Sana
but most we didn't and why
napapanood nila ko ngayon.
slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time.
Thank you!
I really see what's in my
Feeling ko napapanood nila ako ngayon. Tapos binubulungan nila si Lord.
slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I
Yes, member pa ako ng ML48.
and save it from the funny tricks of
Kasi hindi ko talaga kakayanin guys yung mga pinagdaanan ko. Grabe. Feeling ko na-feel ko yung support niyo sa akin. Kasi hindi ko talaga kakayanin mag-isa yung mga pinagdadaanan ko. Ayun lang. At thank you, Kim. Follow mo na ako. Hanggang ngayon nga, chinachat ko pa rin yung friend namin eh. Pero like, message failed na siya.
in the early morning, waving
Hindi ko alam bakit message failed na sa kanya eh.
an absent-minded smile.
Tapos, ayun. Inaya ko pa siya na sinendan ko pa siya ng link ng Dream Beyond. Sabi ko nood siya sa concert namin kaso hindi daw kaya rin.
Little freak Jezebel, you sit high atop the kitchen counter.
Nakagod ba yun kapag inactive? They're all watching over you and is guiding you and celebrating everything you've accomplished.
Starry haze.
Thank you, Butler! Thank you, everyone!
Now you've become some
Kaya, medyo na-overwhelm ako sa support kasi
But your gift is wasted on
sa mga past year, never ko naranasan yung ganito. Thank you sa Cherry Blossom!
your delicate
Hindi ko kasi, opo kami po yung nasa Enchanted Kingdom kagabi. Wala lang kasi parang hindi ko to naranasan dati. Tapos hindi ko in-expect na mararanasan ko ever in my life. Pinangarap ko maging idol talaga. Like K-pop idol, ganun. Ayun. Thank you, Rel!
just thinking about you.
Thank you sa mga gifts nyo, guys, ha? Pati sa mga pagbati nyo.
Did you dress up for Halloween? I spilled beer on your
Kaya naman, follow Emma48 Elise on all social media.
Maybe we'll do this.
Well, here you are now. Member ka na ng K-pop. Thank you, Brent!
Tell you hide the body, all that yoga gave.
Thank you, Carl! May message ka.
But you
Basahin natin.
for
Message ni
sure.
Carl.
I was thinking about who you are. Delicate moment of you. I was thinking about you. Worried about where you are, who you belong to. Just thinking about you. I disrespected you. Jumped in feet first and I landed too hard. Broken ankle, karma rules. You never saw my birthmark.
Dear Ate Elise, I've been a fan of ML48 since 2020. At every event, hindi pa ako nakapunta once in my life. Then, naghihintay ako for 5th generation. So, I'm eager to support Dream Beyond. Dream Beyond is finally arrived, and you are there. I wasn't there, pero buti may nag-video for introduction of
Just thinking about you. Just thinking about you. I'm in bed, laying down, thinking.
And you are there. I wasn't there, pero buti may nag-video for introduction of 5th generation. One by one. Then it's your turn to introduce to the MN Loves. As far as I can see, you finally achieved being an idol. Dahil on your audition for 4th gen, hindi ka pinalad, but you have a guts of never giving up. So Ate Line helped you to rise up once again. I can see you as cheerful, jolly, kind, shy, beautiful, and hardworking. So I'm glad to meet you. Not in person, and supporting you as my cameo shoot. Happy birthday, and I wish you everything. Good health, spread happiness to others, including your adored fans. I'm so proud of you, and I'm going to continue supporting you forever and ever. I love you and always, Ate Elise. Yours truly, Carl. Add on, I'm so happy to be a your fan.